Mwanza. Jikijela Mkhonto jikijela. Forward nge-unit Mkhonto forward. Forward nge-unit Mpumalanga forward. Forward nge-unit Ward 14 forward. Ngicela ukunibingelela makhomrade ngoba singathola ithuba ukuthi nibingelele. Simane nje sesigaxeleka kabuhlungu kabi. But kubalekile kuyazwakala ngoba kuthiwa ingane engakhali iyofela embelekweni. So siyeza ukushisa kokuthukuthela kweinhliziyo zenu. Sibonga nethuba ukuthi sizobonisana nani sixoxisane nani. Ngoba often i-confusion kuyi-space between thina nathi. Maya magnet space ke kuyenze kokunye ukuthi ezinye izinkulumo zingafiki kahle, ningazizwa kahle ukuthi iphuma kuphi. Ongathi uyishile yamfanele, ongathi akayishonga imfanele kunganabufakazi. So sizobonga kakhulu, ngibonge ne-role ama-Council of Elders. Bese sizwile olukhulu iqhaza senilidlalile ngokulekelela, ngokugayida. Ngiyawubona umsebenzi wenu ukuthi umuhle kakhulu. Ngoba without i-guidance abantu abadala asebamkantshabuvu, kunye kuyochitheka. Kanti sisonke siyawuthanda umkhonto, sizimisele ngomkhonto, sifuna the same thing ukuthi asikabi ndawonye sizokhuluma. Ngibonge your-honesty as well ngoba kuyashiwo ukuthi i-straight talk doesn't break any relationship. So kubalulekile lokho ke. So i-process lena it's twofold ukuthi silalele sizwe nathi sokwazi ukuhambela sihambe nemibiko sekupresent ukuthi ayisibazwile abantu bakho ncamalala bathi thina sathi satholana ngokuthi siya kanje phambili. So ngicela ukubulisa appreciate i-province ekhona nathi kwi-region leadership ekhona kwi-sub-region kwi-zone till kwi-ward namanye ama-ward akhona lana. For my own understanding bengicela ukubona nje izandla ezabantu abase-ward 14 abase-ward 14 abantu base-ward 14 okay bona ngapha okay no siyabonga at least siyabona i-presence yakhona ngithi asikanazi. Phela mina abantu bami kwamanje base-14 mangikhuluma ngabantu bami ngikhuluma ngabantu abaku-by election. So abami ilaba aqondene ne-by election. Hayi abanye ngaba-adopta nabo kodwa akuyona inkinga, kodwa abami ngiqondane nabo e-by election. So sine-by election la e-ward 14. Iyaqala i-process, in fact before i-process iqala kusane-council kusaney'nkinga lana, khona abobaba abahlonishwa bayangithinta bathi sizoba lento ukuthi senza kanjani. Asheshe sisondele, asheshe senze lokho, asheshe senze lokho. Sayicacisa indaba ukuthi kuze kube ne-vacancy kumele kwenzeke lokho. Mase ikhona i-vacancy sikwazi ukumove fast, silekelele. But abadala bashe bewona ukuthi sheshani nifike ngoba nayi inkinga ekhona lana emkhona. Uma ningasheshe nifike nizokwazi ukuthi nisilekelele nivule indlela yethu ukuthi nizokwazi ukungena ekhethweni, ukhetho lihambe kahle without ama-issues lawa akhona. Nathi ke lapho ke this on my side sithathe isikhathi, ngiyabona ukuthi ukungasheshe kufike kwenze iphutha kayenzeka ne-confusion ekhona namhlanje ezoyicacisa siqondise namuhla. So ngizokhuluma kabanzi ngento ezifew engizochaza which speaks on i-position kaMhlonisha laphayana yama-election regional election manager. Ngizoyiqondisa nje ngiyichaze kahle ngiyinabise sizwe sonke le ngoba leyo is part of my responsibility leyo. The second part engizoyilungisa i-candidate selection process. The third part engizoyilungisa ukuthi masingena kwi-election what happens to ama-structures sebenza kanjani. The last part engizoyilungisa yile nifuna ukuyizwa kodwa ngizogcina ngayo. Ukuthi lo baba lona ongathi uBrian Mkhelele. No ngiyabona ukuthi uFortune kodwa ngumfanisa no Midnight Express. But angikho lapho. Indaba yakhe yokugcina ke leyo. Uzolinda ke silungise lokho ngiyichaze kahle ngoba kubalekile ukuthi ngichaze izoresolve i-confusion le. So ngicela ke ukuqala ngayo ke i-process yama-election managers across the country ukuthi ime kanjani ngoba that is my direct responsibility ke lapho. Sibhalele inhlangano i-policy ebizwa ngokuthi i-election policy. I-election policy establishes the election machinery of the organization. We-policy level, which is accountable, siba structure esinjani, with what powers and where do we report. So leyo policy leyo established the National Election Secretariat, which is led by myself. In our members from our provinces who are provincial election managers. Mawuyehla ngenzansi, I mean labantu laba ba reporter into a provincial detachment a province. They are not above the provincial detachment, they report into the provincial detachment. Ngoba leadership kuyohlala kuyi leadership whether there's election or no election. And someone must hold accountable the process of my election. Then iyehla ke ngenzansi leyo from province to region. A region asinabo ama regional election coordinate, in fact managers, babiza ama regional election coordinators who lead the regional election secretariat. So the appointment process from province, nalabeso bakopta national, that appointment process is done only by a national official and the national high command. So anything engaga appointwa formally is interim across the country until there's a process where there's a formal resolution. Ukuthi Mpumalanga has submitted abantu naba per region, this is the process they followed. I-report yabo ilindile ayika formalizwa ngoba kuyo formalize a policy kuqala, convene a meeting to establish, and then we finalize the appointments. So anything else across the country has no permanence. It's interim. You become only formally appointed once the National High Command and officials have formally resolved. Lokho akwenzeki. Udelaywe i-process there ama national officials ayahambela across the country to try and establish the issue of leadership and formalize and create stability in leadership. So into esenze ukuthi singasheshe sikwazi ukwenza lokho. So anything manje kuma election below the national elections head of the organization is interim. So tingichaze ke i-process yoku-elect a candidate, which is the second point. Normally sithi akube ne-notice emphakathini ukuthi sizokhetha i-candidate. Masizokhetha i-candidate next week Saturday, asiqale kule viki leli building up to next week Saturday. Sambeni wonke ama-VD, simemezele, sifaka ama-notice, inform people in the voters roll ukuthi sizokhetha. So that's the first part. There must be public participation, information, and a period abantu west we make them aware ukuthi sizokhetha ngosuku oluwukuthi. Abantu bazokwazi ukufika ngosuku oluwukuthi. It is rare where we win ukuthi abantu abazokhetha i-candidate babe less than 10% of the voters roll. It is rare. Because the process to elect a candidate is mobilizing, is election, is campaigning in itself. Ngoba we rely on abantu who are not just our members, but ama member womphakathi kuphela ukuthi azoparticipate kwi-process yomkhonto ukuthi sizi-elect. Leyo process by itself has showed us ama-challenges are serious the process leyo. Leyo ukuthi wozani mphakathi nonke, wozani nizokhetha. Part of the experience we have seen directly is the following. I-ANC ithumela abantu babo abahlale ehodini. Angithi thina ke sithi criteria prove that you must confirm that you are a member of the ward. You vote in this VD. Uyafika ke ufika ne-ID yakho we confirm you. Lapho we don't know whether you are indeed a member of the organization or you are not a member of the organization. So what is often happening? I-ANC iyathatha abantu babo. Iba forward laphayana sibe na high attendance. Abantu bazokhetha i-candidate elifuna u-ANC. Then we've got an outcome. This is a process. We did call a public meeting. We waited the number of prescribed days. Abantu bafikile. We checked that in the voters roll. Nangu umuntu okhethe majority. Yeah. Majority ANC, not majority omkhonto. Ngikutshela nge-process ukuthi le process leti si-establishile isibonisa the following weaknesses and challenges. Ukuthi siyaphuma sithi is a credible candidate kodwa kulona i-candidate lomkhonto leli man. I-candidate le opposition. Ngoba ama-process wethu are so easy to infiltrate. Angenile basikhethula umuntu wabo ebamfunayo bona. Sesike sabona imhlolo ngama-candidates wethu. Peak time candidate mele izocampaign ebantwini leNyamalala. Awusesithola lizidakwele laphayana libuya kaJava Zumnike. Ube Java usuku bonke kumnandi. Umphakathi uyamazi ukuthi lo muntu uyinkinga lo muntu asimufuni kodwa u-imagine ama-process omkhonto wesizwe. So manje masesithola umbiko ukuthi senihambe phambili nenza nakhetha sithola report ngithi ku comrade chair sizoba nenkinga lapha because we've got a practice esinayo established practice to elect a candidate. Le practice yethu inenkinga futhi. If we are going to deviate, we must be there with the ward, with the branch, with the election leadership. Sibonisane sivumelane. Ngithi kufuthi ukuthi starting nesikhathi mina kakhulu ukuthi ngisheshe ngifike lapha ngoba my commitments across the country ngijima all over. Ngabe saseshe safika sayinabisa lento le. Ngabe kunye sokuresolve before. So I mean, I'm telling Chair, ukuthi Chair, no, issue lapha we might have to reconsider. So lento reconsider candidate ayiphumi kuyi-chair. Nangu umuntu ekumele nomjezisa for law. So sivele siyabonisa naye ucomrade nomkhiphile ukuthi this is going to be a problem. The best way to resolve le nkinga esikuyo mele siye kuma comrade wethu. Sibonisane sizwa ama views wabo because okunye bayasitshela ukuthi there's council of elders who participated, played a great role. There's different stakeholders we must speak to as well. But because we know ukuthi candidate process yethu has also been flawed, we are not against the process ukuthi what do you think will work better for you? But asivumelane. So we would have liked to take a different approach, but manje silana sisonke. So uche uthi kimi, we've got three options. First option, we say to the comrades, one, we must restart the process. Man. We're not restarting. Man, comrade, asaqedi. Ngisakhuluma. I am sharing a conversation between two people. Then the second option, Siyalaphana, we accept which one we should have been on time much earlier. And as we should have been there, then we accept with comrades, I started the candidate later to because we also know the process here to even our challenges, they are manipulated about bangaphandle. So a candidate leli enilkhethile siyohamba nabo. So no, after I'm still sharing a conversation. So I am sharing an intimate conversation. Ngisakhuluma ngisayinabisa ukuthi si consider ini sabona ini bese sa start isinqumo ukuthi sizokwenzani. Hambana Amanda awethu ngiyabona so yayithajuluka lapha yashisela. So manje ke bese then last option uche uthi then or alternatively we might consider not contesting. Savumelana ukuthi that's not an option leyo angeke siyenze leyo. So ngokubonisana kwami no chair and engaging a few comrades here, council of elders, abafundisi no comrade laphana, we felt ukuthi let's rather engage the comrades here lapho and go and meet our candidate. Yes. We're very clear what we've got a candidate and that's our candidate. Yes. Maybe ukuthi asibeka but ngizoyibeka ibe clear. And then to talk to satisfy ourselves ukuthi ngempela abantu bayamazi ukhanje basingene naye bamrecognize naye. Bayasho ukuthi hayi umuntu wethu. So thina ke isinqumo esisithathile and also in engaging ama comrades and ukuthi le process eniqalile siqhubeka ngale process le. Sino candidate. Sino candidate nomkhethile. We also recognize ukuthi maybe in ngendlela acting ngayo you might have acted in the best interest of the organization because you know the local issues. And njobe sengichazile ukuthi abantu bayangaphandle bakwazi ukuzomanipulate le process le. So sithe asimukele esekwenzekile and perhaps it's the best approach ukuthi in future when we elect our candidates we must not immediately call for a general meeting of all citizens of a ward ngoba solimali. So uyasibonisa ukuthi manje i-selection yethu kumele siyenze ngendlela ehlukile. I-structure sethu must be at the center of this process. So this decision